The low-speed braking control system helps keep your bumpers looking good during low-speed maneuvers. The system uses the sonar sensors located in the front and rear bumpers to detect objects. The system can reduce engine power and/or apply the brakes to help prevent collisions when moving between 1 and 6 miles per hour. In the unlikely event that you want to turn this valuable feature off, here's how. Roll the selector wheel on the right side of the steering wheel to choose safety support in the digital instrument cluster and press N to select it. Roll the wheel until the low-speed braking control symbol and checkbox are highlighted and press N. The check mark next to the symbol will go off, and the symbol will change from green to gray to signal that the system is off. Low-speed braking control will remain off until you turn it back on using this procedure or until you restart the engine. See your vehicle's owner's manual for even more details. You can download one at mygarage.honda.com.